Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper, not on Thursday, but it's today Friday, almost weekend, Friday, August the 27th, 2021. I've told you earlier, I've only two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. And there are no extra Sudokus in this newspaper, no additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper in the additional. And the first Sudoku is a Sudoku with 1 star. Then I will solve the 2 stars. I have a binary and a tectonic one. So the first one, Sudoku with 1 star, will be number 3306. Alright, 3306. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And for 1 star Sudoku, I need to be faster. Yeah, faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. A lot of nines. So let's get started with the 9. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So on that row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only three places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only three places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 in the first column should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 9. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. There, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column. 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. The only, and the 3 in the last column, the 3 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Alright. Alright. Let me think. How about the number 4 in this row, 4 in the row below? So the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Okay, and now 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Yes, 1 is missing. Then. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 167, 167. I see here 7, so no 7 in that box. Here I saw 7, so no 7 in this box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, the 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 number left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Alright, the 5. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then. 2 numbers, wait, 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Okay, so we have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. Then. How about, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in the second row. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the second row below. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 5 and number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 6, number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Wow. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number, yes, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in the last row. 1, the 2 is missing. Yes, the 2 is missing. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. A 2-star Sudoku it will be. So see you then. Bye-bye for now.